What's up, guys? Welcome back for another one. It's only been a few days so far with the ST fairing. So far, I am loving it. And with a little more time, I'll jump in and give you guys a review about how it handles on the highway and things like that. But for now, it's time to upgrade the windshield. This is a 10-inch windshield that Advanblack supplies with its kit. And I'm going to be going with the KlockWerks Kolor Flare 8-inch windshield. Now, here you have it. Of course, it's in orange. It's really beautiful. And I do have a question though. If this is the 8-inch and this is a 10-inch, why is it so much bigger? All right, so you can see how much bigger this really is. So who's wrong? I don't know. Or where are they getting this measurement from? Well, if I measure from here, because that makes sense, this is just under 10. If, maybe, yeah, it's just under 10. If I measure this one, it's like 12 and a half. So I'm not really sure how these guys are measuring it, you know, maybe from here, from the smallest part. Anyway, if you were hesitant about buying one of the Kolor Flare windshields because it only comes in 6-inch and 8-inch, and you know you're running a 10, I'd say get it anyway because it's obviously bigger than the 10-inch. So basically, simple install. I take the grommets that came with the kit, move them over here, and we put it on the bike. All right, so windshield on, it looks great. It's obviously taller, and I would say it's coming right up to below my nose. I am 5'9" with a 30-inch inseam. And I can tell right away that it's gonna do a lot better as far as the wind in the upper area. The old windshield did great. I didn't have any buffeting, but there was clean air. The other windshield probably came down to my chin, so there was clean air in this area. So I don't have any complaints about that, but this should be much better. Let's find out.
All right, so out with the KlockWerks windshield, and I can say there is certainly a wider area of coverage with this windshield. And so basically, on the old windshield, right about here, I could feel the air. But with this one, I don't feel it until my hands are almost as far out as the mirrors. And I would say as far as the air coming above, it's not hitting me directly in the face, even though it was clean air. So the lip and the height of this windshield is certainly doing a better job than the one that came with the kit in that aspect. So I've been on the highway, I've been on streets and roads so far, and it's been pretty windy lately. It's actually, we've been in and out of cold snaps down here, so thus the jacket. And it does a great job. In fact, the fairing and the windshield do such a great job. I hopped on the Road King the other day, and I was missing it. I was missing the fairing and the windshield. I don't know. So we might have to do something about that. But overall, really happy. I think it looks so much better because it kind of breaks up the black as well. And the orange is really beautiful. It's easy to see through. Yeah, if you got an ST or an ST fairing and you're looking for improved wind protection, you should definitely check these out. All right, guys, there she is, the orange KlockWerks 8-inch windshield. I think it's a big improvement over the look with the black one that comes with the fairing. The curve definitely helps, not only the clean air going to my face, but also the air on the sides. The pocket is wider, and it's also taller, so there's no buffeting, at least for me at my height with this seat. And that's another thing, when everybody talks about how tall their windshield is, how tall they are, find out what seat they have, because if you don't have the same seat height, that's going to play a factor as well. Anyway, I hope you guys like videos like this. If you do, please consider liking and subscribing, and I'll catch you on the next one.